Welcome to the Business and Startups channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of Airbnb, one of the world's most iconic unicorn companies. We'll explore its humble beginnings, the innovative minds behind it, and the strategic decisions that propelled it to a valuation exceeding $1 billion. From its inception in 2007 to becoming a global leader in the hospitality industry, Airbnb has redefined how we travel. So, grab a seat and join us on this incredible ride. Our story begins in 2007 in San Francisco, where two friends, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia, were struggling to pay rent. Fresh out of the Rhode Island School of Design, they found themselves in the midst of a thriving tech scene, but without the means to sustain themselves in one of the most expensive cities in the U.S. During a design conference in the city, they noticed a glaring problem. Hotels were fully booked, leaving attendees without affordable accommodation. Sensing an opportunity, Chesky and Gebbia decided to rent out air mattresses in their apartment to conference goers, offering not just a place to sleep, but a local experience, including breakfast. This simple idea planted the seed for what would become Airbnb. Would you have paid to stay on an air mattress in a stranger's home? Let us know in the comments. Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia weren't your typical Silicon Valley entrepreneurs. They were designers by training, not techies. Yet, their lack of a tech background didn't stop them from seeing the potential in their idea. Struggling with their own financial situation, they were motivated by necessity as much as creativity. In 2008, Nathan Bletrick, a former roommate and technical whiz, joined Chesky and Gebbia as the third co-founder. With Bletrick's coding skills, they launched Airbed and Breakfast, a simple website to list and book short-term stays in their apartment. The initial website was rudimentary, but it allowed them to validate their idea by attracting a small number of users. Airbnb wasn't just about making money, it was about solving a real problem in the market. The founders identified a gap in the hospitality industry: the lack of affordable, flexible, and authentic travel experiences. Hotels were expensive and often disconnected from the local culture. This really outlines how a company can break through by seeing gaps in the market and inserting themselves to bridge that gap. Genius travelers, especially younger ones, were looking for something different, a way to experience destinations like a local, not just as a tourist. Airbnb's journey from a quirky startup to a global giant is nothing short of remarkable. After launching in 2008, the company quickly gained traction. The Y Combinator funding in early 2009 provided the boost needed to refine their platform and grow their user base. The founders focused on improving the website's functionality, enhancing the booking process, and ensuring user trust, critical for a platform based on staying in strangers' homes. But that was just the beginning. By 2011, Airbnb had expanded beyond the U.S., offering unique stays in cities like London, Paris, and Tokyo. The platform evolved from just offering air mattresses to entire homes, castles, and even tree houses. This period marked Airbnb's transformation into a global phenomenon, redefining how people travel and experience new cultures. Airbnb's success didn't happen by chance. The company's global growth strategy was meticulously planned and executed. Airbnb recognized early on that to become a global leader, they needed to adapt to different markets, cultures, and regulatory environments. Their approach was multifaceted. First, they focused on building a local presence by opening offices in major cities worldwide. These offices were staffed by local teams who understood the nuances of their markets. Secondly, Airbnb invested heavily in marketing campaigns tailored to each region, promoting the idea of belonging anywhere. Thirdly, they expanded their platform to offer experiences, allowing travelers to book activities hosted by locals, further embedding themselves into the fabric of local cultures. Investment played a crucial role in Airbnb's rise. After their initial success, Airbnb caught the attention of investors who saw the potential in their disruptive business model. The company's first major funding came from Sequoia Capital in 2009, after participating in Y Combinator. This investment allowed Airbnb to scale its operations and improve its platform. Over the years, Airbnb continued to attract significant investments, including a $112 million Series B round in 2011 led by Andreessen Horowitz and a $475 million Series D round in 2014 led by TPG Growth. These funds were pivotal in expanding Airbnb's global reach, enhancing user trust mechanisms, and developing new offerings like Airbnb Experiences. By the time of its IPO in 2020, Airbnb had raised over $6 billion in funding. Airbnb's journey hasn't been without challenges. The company has faced several crises that tested its resilience. In 2011, a host property was vandalized, leading to widespread criticism and questions about the safety of the platform. This incident prompted Airbnb to implement the $1 million host guarantee, which became a cornerstone of their trust-building strategy. Another significant challenge came in 2020 with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. As global travel came to a halt, Airbnb's bookings plummeted, leading to a major financial crisis for the company. In response, Airbnb quickly pivoted, focusing on longer-term stays and offering online experiences. This adaptability not only helped them survive the crisis, but also demonstrated their ability to innovate under pressure. Airbnb's success can be attributed to several strategic management decisions that not only fueled its growth, but also attracted significant investor interest. Let's explore three key aspects: relentless focus on user experience, a culture of innovation, and strategic partnerships. Firstly, Airbnb has always prioritized user experience. From a seamless booking process to personalized customer service, the company has made it easy and safe for users to find and book unique stays. Secondly, Airbnb's culture of innovation has driven continuous improvement and new offerings, such as Airbnb Experiences and Airbnb Plus, which provide higher quality stays. Finally, strategic partnerships, like their collaboration with WeWork to offer work-friendly accommodations, have expanded their market reach. From the very beginning, Airbnb understood that trust was the cornerstone of their platform. The idea of staying in a stranger's home required a level of trust that was unprecedented in the hospitality industry. To address this, Airbnb implemented several features designed to build and maintain trust, including a robust review system, the host guarantee program, and guest verification processes. Innovation has been at the heart of Airbnb's strategy from day one. The founders' ability to think outside the box, whether it was by renting out air mattresses or selling cereal boxes to fund their startup, set the tone for a company culture that encouraged creative solutions to challenges. Over the years, this culture has led to innovations like Airbnb Experiences, Airbnb Plus, and the recent pivot to online experiences during the COVID-19 pandemic. Airbnb's journey from a small startup in San Francisco to a global leader in the hospitality industry is a testament to the power of innovation, adaptability, and strategic thinking. By identifying gaps in the market, securing critical investments, and overcoming significant challenges, Airbnb has not only revolutionized the way we travel, but has also set new standards for what it means to belong anywhere. As Airbnb continues to grow and evolve, one thing is certain: their story is far from over. As Airbnb continues to innovate and expand, the company faces both exciting opportunities and new challenges. The rise of remote work has opened up new markets, with many opting for longer stays in different cities and countries. Airbnb has embraced this trend by offering more flexible booking options and enhancing their platform to support digital nomads. Looking ahead, Airbnb is also focusing on sustainability and community impact. The company aims to reduce its carbon footprint and support hosts in adopting eco-friendly practices. Moreover, Airbnb's initiatives to give back to local communities through programs like Open Homes, where hosts provide free stays to those in need, reflect the company's commitment to making a positive difference. As the travel industry evolves, Airbnb is poised to continue leading the way by staying true to its core values of trust, innovation, and belonging. The journey is ongoing, and the world is watching to see how Airbnb will shape the future of travel and hospitality. Thank you for joining us on Airbnb's incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below on what surprised you the most about Airbnb's story. Also, Let us know what other companies or topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback helps us bring you the content you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.